Hello everyone, welcome to the Happylish YouTube channel. Let's begin our story time. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a kind and beautiful girl. Her name was Snow White. She had skin as white as snow, lips as red as roses, and hair as black as coal. But Snow White was not happy. She lived with her stepmother, the Queen. The Queen looked beautiful, but inside she was mean and jealous. The Queen had a magic mirror. Every day she asked, "Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all?" The mirror always said, "You, my Queen, are the fairest of them all." But one day the mirror said, "Snow White is the fairest of them all." The Queen was very angry. She made a wicked plan. She called the royal huntsman and said, "Take Snow White into the forest. Do not let her come back." The huntsman took Snow White into the forest, but he saw her kind face. He could not hurt her. "Run away," he whispered. "Run far and never return." Snow White ran deep into the forest. She was scared and alone. Then she saw a small cottage. She knocked on the door. No one answered. She went inside. The cottage was tiny. There were 7 little beds, 7 chairs, and 7 plates. Snow White was very tired. She lay down and fell asleep. That evening, the owners came home. They were 7 dwarfs. They found Snow White sleeping. "Who is this girl?" they asked. Snow White woke up. She told them her story. The dwarfs felt sorry for her. "You can stay with us," they said. "But be careful, the Queen may come." Back at the castle, the Queen asked her mirror again. The mirror said, "Snow White is the fairest of them all." The Queen used dark magic and changed into an old woman. She made a red, shiny apple. It was poisoned. She went to the cottage and gave the apple to Snow White. Snow White took a bite. She fell to the ground. The dwarfs came home. They were very sad. They made a glass coffin for her and placed her in the middle of the forest. They took turns keeping watch, hoping she would wake up one day. One day, a prince rode by. He saw Snow White and kissed her. Snow White opened her eyes. She was alive. The prince said, "Come with me. I will keep you safe." Snow White said goodbye to the dwarfs and left with the prince. The evil queen lost her powers and disappeared forever. Snow White and the prince lived happily ever after. She often visited the dwarfs with gifts and smiles. Thank you very much for watching until the end. What was your favorite part of the story? Tell me in the comments. To help you learn even more English, I've put together a list of the vocabulary from this story that might be new for you. You can find this list with the meanings in the video description. Make sure to take a look. If you enjoyed this story and want more like it, don't forget to subscribe to the Happylish YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.